Hey guys, welcome in a course of networking with Cisco Parket. So guys, in this first tutorial, I will just provide you a simple introduction about this module. So first, what is a Cisco Parket Tracer? A Cisco Parket Tracer is a network simulation and visualization tool developed by Cisco Systems, or is designed for educational purposes and provides a simulated environment for learning, testing, and practicing networking concepts. Guys, as you understood, this software Cisco Parket Tracer, it can help you to test and practice a network concept. As long as you don't have hardware components for testing, this software can help you do that. Means that it can also help you to create a virtual network topologies, design and configuration of various networking devices such as routers, switches, and computers, and then simulate the behavior of this device within a created network. It supports a wide range of networking protocols and technologies, enabling users to gain hands-on experience with networking concepts and scenarios. So guys, I will just answer again another question. How to download a Cisco Parket Tracer? So guys, to answer that question, I would ask you to connect your PC to the internet. Then you open your web browser, or most of them want to use Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, you type Cisco Parket Tracer download. Then you scroll down. You click on this link, Cisco Parket Tracer 64-bit download 2023 latest. After clicking here, the download will start automatically here. Then once your downloading process has finished, you just come and you open your file explorer. Then you click on downloads. That is the software I've downloaded, Parket Tracer. It's a version 7.3.0. You just double click on it. Click on yes. Then the installation will start. Once the installation is done, the shortcut will be created in your Windows. This is already here, Cisco Parket Tracer. So thank you guys for watching, but remember there is part 2. In this first tutorial it was just introduction about this module, so don't miss part 2.